What's up, guys? So we're starting this look off right away with a clear piece of tape slanting upwards underneath the eyes. Then I'm applying this matte maroon shade around the crease, blending it out until I get the shade I'm looking for. Next, I'm darkening up that maroon shade by applying a tad bit of black underneath it and blending it out within the crease. Just to make sure my eyeshadow isn't too high up, since it is dark colors I am using, I'm going to blend a more natural shade at the arch of my eyebrow to ensure that. Now to finish off the top eyelid, I'm adding a gold shimmery color in the corner, bringing it towards the middle, leaving me with a sexy, dark look. After this, I'm dragging that maroon color towards the end of the eye and that gold towards the corner, since I do want the eyes to stick out a little more, and this will definitely give me that. As always, I'm going to finish off this look by blending my highlight within my eyebrow arch. Then I'm going to actually use the exact maroon shade underneath my highlight, leaving my cheeks with a finished, sexy rosé color.